A special body dedicated to probe and adjudicate vote buying complaints or charges is up for creation by the poll body early next month. Such entity will be crucial in taking on allegations on the scourge on democracy and local politics, which has persisted allegedly for the last 60 or more years. In the 2025 national elections, the poll body received 2 formal complaints on vote buying, while none thus far has been received or filed by any candidate or their representative as of yet.
Itong kauna-unahang Bangsamoro parliamentary election, hindi lamang ito isang kaalala. This is a very important part of history, bahagi ng kasaysayan ng Bangsamoro at ng Pilipinas. At pagkakataon upang higit pang patatagin ang demokrasya sa rehiyon. No? Sa lahat po ng botante ng BARM, inaanyahan po namin kayo na gamitin ang inyong karapatan at bumoto at makilahok sa kauna-unahang Bangsamoro parliamentary elections itong September 14. Piliin ho sana natin at ihalal ang mga gusto nating maging kinatawan sa mga susunod na taon. Sila po ang makikipaglaban para sa inyong interes at para ho sa inyong karapatan.